Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I'm going to show you a really cool product. It is called SellMeThisPen AI. And I must say, it is really cool and very useful application of AI. We are used already to AI generating text or speech, and in this software, it is all combined to solve a practical task. It will teach you how to do calls, and it will make you a better seller, or it will teach your team how to sell better. There will be pre-built playbooks, which will allow you to navigate your sales calls. It will help you to ask the right questions or handle objections better. You will also get actionable feedback and a call score based on how you did during the test session. Also will show you what's working and where you will need to improve to become an expert seller or deal closer. So what else is included? There is CRM integration. I saw HubSpot and Salesforce. And moreover, it will integrate with Google Meets and Zoom. And I will show you how it works in action. Regarding plans, you have three options. With License Tier 1, you are getting 2 hours of AI Roleplay. Here you will be able to practice your sales calls. Then there are 20 hours included of real-time assistance for your Google or Zoom meetings. And additionally, there are 20 hours of post-call coaching. And if you plan to get serious about improving your sales skills, then probably license tier 2 or 3 will be better, because in the license tier 3, you're getting 10 users, so you can teach your team and you have everything unlimited. A bit pricey, however, you get unlimited roleplay practice, unlimited real-time assistance, and post-call coaching, and you will be able to train up to 10 users. All right. So we are here at the first section, AI Roleplay. Here you will be given an agent. You can customize your call scenario. So when you click Customize, you will be given a detailed description of what will be happening on the call, details about buyer persona, the product that you will be promoting, call type, and here we are setting the scenario. For example, the product is relevant. Another example is that we are not making it easy for a caller to find the criteria, and the caller need to work out through some objections to actually get to that criteria. And you can as well update that script. And moreover, there are tips which will help you to build the better prompts for your virtual agent. For example, here we are seeing that during the conversation, the agent will be throwing objections at the representative one by one. The agent will be clarifying questions and so on, and we can easily update that scenario if needed, because there is always option to refresh to the default prompt. All right. So when you refresh a page, you will be given another random agent. So I'm really excited how it will work out, and let's actually begin our call.
Hey, who's calling?
Hey, this is Peter from the YouTube creators.
Hey, Peter, what's up?
Hey, I'm calling to you to help to solve your challenges and needs. I'm representing YouTube Creators Academy.
Look, I don't think it's a priority for us right now to invest in new solutions.
All right, I understand. Would you mind to describe your current challenges and needs?
Can you provide me with some social proof or references from similar companies using your product?
Oh yes, of course. And let's end our call. Okay, so after each call, you will be able to see the results. Okay, the analysis was completed. Well, it was a pretty short call, but just to give you an idea, you can see the detailed statistics. For example, you will be able to see the transcript to the right, as you can see here. You will have the score, token ratio, and a lot of other tips relevant to selling. That is great. So what else do we have here? Let's go to the meetings setting. Here you will have the detailed statistics about all of your calls, scores, with some notes like CRM updated or not, where the call was done. And what's important, you will be able to filter by tags. For example, if you would like to see only calls that happened on Google Meet, those could be real calls, then you can just filter by this tag. And you can go to each call and see as well the detailed statistics. On the main dashboard, you will see some aggregated stats. For example, your goals, complete 3 role plays per day, and your average statistics. Then, if we will go to Playbooks, here we can manage your scenarios. We can set the goal for the meeting, agenda, tips for discovering context, value proposition, tips to share success stories, and as well we can create the new playbook if needed. Moving next to tips, and this is a really nice one. We're getting pre-built tips which actually will come in handy during the live calls. For example, if someone will mention that they don't have a budget, we will have some suggestions how to react to that objection. So let me show you how it works. To get integration with Google Meet and Zoom, you will need to install SellMeThisPen Chrome extension. And then let me show you how it works. You just need to start a meeting. In my case, it is Google Meet. And we saw to the right that SellMeThisPen Chrome extension is live. And now imagine that we are on the live call and someone says, "Oh, I think your product is a nice fit, but I don't have a budget this quarter." And here it is. We are getting real-time tip how to work with a particular objection. Or another example. "Oh yeah, I think your product is great, but it's not a priority at the moment." And here it is. We are getting another tip how to work with a particular objection related to priorities. So to summarize tips, you're getting pre-built ones, but you can add your own, which will trigger by specific keywords. What else do we have here? We can manage our team members, of course. If you go to the settings, we can connect to our CRM systems, to HubSpot and Salesforce to store your calls data. And you can change general AI role-play settings, like updating buyer persona. And before wrapping up, I just want to mention that during live calls, you will be able to select your playbooks, which you can track real time. For example, built-in report, check, done, checking the aligning on the goals, done. So you get the idea. All right, moving to the conclusion. Well, I was really pleasantly surprised by SellMeThisPen AI software. This is a kind of really useful and really practical application of AI. Nowadays, there are too much of AI everywhere, and in this software, it really works. You can practice your sales or teach your sales team how to become better in this sphere using AI roleplay. You can get real-time assistance during your Google Meet or Zoom calls, and you can get the detailed statistics and analysis of your calls, and you will be able to save that in your favorite CRM system. Well, I must say it is a well-built software, which is pleasant to use. So to get SellMeThisPen AI, please check my link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.